Hello, welcome to day 5 of our Voyagers week. And today we are going to read the story on Epic, and it's called Alone in the Arctic. Now notice it's Arctic and not Antarctic. So that's going to be different. So our learning targets are that I can compare and contrast stories. So we're going to read a story on Epic called Alone in the Arctic, and we're going to compare and contrast it to Shackleton's story that we're very familiar with. And we're going to compare it to see how the two stories compare and contrast. So I will have you either read this story independently, or I am also recording it so you can listen to it. And it's found on Epic, and it looks like that book, and it's called Alone in the Arctic. Can Science Save Your Life? And then what you're going to do is we have questions. I'm just going to scoop myself over a little bit. And you're going to write about Joe's experience from Lost in the Arctic and Shackleton and his crew's experience in Trapped by the Ice. And think about the location of their adventure, what caused their problems, what character traits helped them survive, and what were ways they solved their problem to survive. And then you're going to submit this to Schoology so your teachers can see that you were able to compare and contrast the two stories. And it should be another fun adventure story, so I hope you really enjoy it. Have a good day.